thinking of moving to Gulf Breeze, Florida, and looking for a 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath right in Gulf Breeze proper? Well, today I'm going to tour a 1965 home that's been completely remodeled in 2021. It's over 3,500 square feet, and it has a separate art studio. It's a little over 200 square feet. If this is something you are interested in, all of my contact information is in the description below. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and leave a comment. Let's go check out this house. This home does have the brick exterior. You come up to the front. Here is a view of the front yard. There's a lot of vegetation. The magnolia tree. We go into the front door. This is 3,568 square feet. So there's a wet bar right to the front here with a fireplace and the kitchen with leather granite. That is the dining room. This can be used as an office. The dining room is through the office, which also connects through the kitchen here. But first, we are going to go to all of the bedrooms. This does have a pocket door. It has the glass pocket door here for all of the bedrooms. So down the hall, you do have the first bedroom is in the front of the house. And there's the closet. It does have the high ceilings. And right across the hall is the first full bath. It does have a double vanity with a tile shower. Then down the hall, next to the first bedroom is bedroom 2. It does have the wood look tile. There is no carpeting in this house. It does have the high ceilings in here as well. And then across the hall from bedroom number 2, you do have the main bedroom. Here's a closet in the hallway. Here's the main bedroom, the walk-in closet. It already has the organizers in it. And you do have the barn door, a separate soaking tub. Here is the shower, big walk-in shower. So when we go out of the main bedroom, there is a sitting area that does go to outside, or you can also go through to the game room. So we're gonna go outside, and this is the art studio I was talking about. It is about 252 square feet. It's got several sliding doors. You can use it as an art studio and open the doors to let your paint dry, or use it as a workshop. It does have separate air conditioning units. So this is also has the gate here, so you can close this off here. The door here. And then in the back, you do have all the lights back here with a lawn shed as well. We got the koi pond here. And there's also an outdoor shower. From the tri-level koi pond, there is the game room. And there is hookups here that you could add another wet bar. You have the skylights. Another door to go back out in the backyard. And then here is the living room. All new windows. Lots of natural lighting. There's skylights also in the living room. And there's the wine cooler over in the corner. This in the kitchen is the leather granite. Have this separate island, has the same leather granite. And here's another view of the front door. And we went down that hallway there. You got the wet bar here with the fireplace. All stainless steel appliances. Do have the skylight also for natural lighting in the kitchen with recessed lighting. Off the kitchen, this is the dining room. Has a closet in here as well. And that is the office den area where I had shown you when I first came in from the front door. And show you the windows. So all of these windows are high velocity hurricane windows that were put in 2021. This is the leather granite. There is an ice maker over on that wet bar as well. And over here we have the laundry closet. Another sink and the half bath. And the half bath would be right at the door to go outside. That is right next to the outdoor shower. Do have the vinyl soffits and also the gutters. If this property is something you are interested in, would like to get more information on it, or would like to view it, all of my contact information is in the description below. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and leave a comment.